Welcome to our channel. If you want to manage notification banners for the H&R Block app, follow these simple steps to customize your alert preferences. Step 1. Open the H&R Block app on your mobile device and sign into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Look for the settings or menu icon, typically represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear symbol. Step 3. Navigate to Settings or Account Preferences from the menu options. Step 4. Find Notifications or Alerts in the Settings menu to access notification management options. Step 5. Review the types of notifications available, which may include tax deadline reminders, document upload confirmations, refund status updates, and promotional messages. Step 6. Toggle the switches next to each notification type to enable or disable specific notification banners based on your preferences. Step 7. For more detailed control, go to your device's main settings app to manage how H&R Block notifications appear. Step 8. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Notifications, find H&R Block, and adjust banner style, sounds, and badge options. Step 9. Choose between temporary or persistent banner styles and decide whether to show previews when your device is locked or unlocked. Step 10. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps and Notifications, find H&R Block, tap Notifications, and customize notification categories and behavior. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.